Hello everyone and welcome to streamandtechnow. If you have an Android phone or tablet and use Bluetooth, well there is a brand new security vulnerability. I'm going to tell you what it's all about and what you need to be aware of coming up next. Alright guys, so if you are an owner of an Android smartphone, specifically version Android 8 Oreo or Android 9 Pie, it does not affect devices with Android 10 and it does not affect iOS devices. So this new security vulnerability is allowing attackers to steal personal information and essentially inject malware. The vulnerability is called CVE 2020-0022. I have no idea why they called it that or what that means, but basically it's allowing an attacker to exploit the Bluetooth and execute certain codes that run on Android 8 and Android 9. So if your device has those two particular software platforms, make sure you go to settings, and it's really easy to check to see if you have the latest security update. Just go into About Phone or Security Update in your settings, and then you can click Download and Install, and it will tell you if you have the latest update. If you do have February 1st, 2020 or February 5th, 2020 or above, then you're covered. The patch has been set. Now, as we know, users can't manually install these security patches with Android, so you have to wait until your device manufacturer sends the system update. So if you haven't yet got one, and I actually just got mine yesterday that actually plugs this gap, it's recommended that you only enable Bluetooth when it's strictly necessary. Most Bluetooth headphones will allow you to use some sort of cable. So another thing that you can do is keep your device non-discoverable. That means third-party devices can't find your smartphone or tablet even when Bluetooth is turned on. Guys, I know this was just a quick video. I wanted you to be aware. Thanks for joining me. Hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time on Stream and Tech Now.